YouTube. It's me again, it's the GSB 777, and this is just a video how to blow smoke with a capgun. I'm not sure if first of all you need caps. Please message me if it's safe, because I don't want to smoke, do drugs, shit like that. So yeah, just tell me if these are bad or not. They're just regular cap guns. Just tell me if they're bad. So yeah, because I'm not sure if it's bad what I'm doing. But what you're gonna need, obviously, is a cap gun. Got a Desert Eagle one. And you will need. Not sure if you need that music. Obviously, your cap. Alright, so put it in. I can't just press them on like that. It doesn't like make the noise, like blow the smoke out. So I gotta hold it just to show you guys. And when you shoot, just go like that, and then just blow, and smoke come out. So yeah, so just do a couple more because it's pretty fun. um, Someone didn't work right. Come on, work better. So that'll just be that's it of the video, guys. So just try and make another one more. Alright, that was better. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and yeah, peace, guys.